Hi guys, it's day 2 in Panama and we're going down to have breakfast. Crew, say hi crew. So we're going down.
Well done. Like the elevator would have been safe, just like.
Buenos días. No, it's not. Oh, room number
1004.
Thank you. Enjoy. Hola, buenos días. Hola, buenos días. Breakfast. We're going to get breakfast, guys. Okay guys, so this is my first course of breakfast.
Tea?
Coffee. Bon appetit. So guys, we're having breakfast. Hello, eat the food regular.
Okay.
Go on.
Yeah, man, shit.
Man. Dale de guys.
Blada.
Bacon. There's so much oil at the Popeye. Be oil. And I have pineapple juice. And coffee.
Second plate, this you know. Second plate, this you know. Fruits and everything, you know.
Okay, so this is my second plate for the day. So she act like she a queen, she don't want to eat. Make she stay there. You're alright, you know. You alright. And say her pitney there, him don't want to eat food. Alright. Yeah, eat my money. The people them don't want to eat the grape them. Look on them. Sour. Sour. No, sour. They're wicked. They're wicked. Wicked bad. Alright, so guys, We just finished eat breakfast. The breakfast is not too hot at all. No, nothing like Jamaican food. Trust me. I can't believe that people can spoil breakfast. We came to the pool and it's raining. It's a rainy day. But that's not gonna cramp our style. Still I got a pool. Yeah. We still a got a pool, guys. Raining, but we still a got a pool. Where y'all go, Michaela? Wait now. Michaela! Hello, be careful, you know. Oh. Yes, Sean. She love go like she a big swimmer, guys, and me can't swim, you know. Me not able, you know. All rain a fall them in a pool. Watch them. All rain a fall them in a pool. Watch her. Kill her then she a big. I don't know who tell she that she a big swimmer, you know. Swim again where the people them see. Come this way. Come this way. I don't know who chick she says she a big swimmer. That is cute.
If you have visa, you know.
Yeah, no, visa.
You know, it's a video. Yeah, girl.
No. Alright guys, so we are outside the hotel. We are trying to get a ride to go to the plaza, me and Manda. And this will be our tour guide for tomorrow. What is your name again?
Hello,
Tell them your name.
my name is Esteban.
Okay.
We're gonna have a great time tomorrow.
Okay. Hey guys, so we are headed to Albrook Mall. We're gonna do a little shopping. We're gonna shop till we drop. Shop till we drop. City life.
Gira a la izquierda en vía España.
No one got McDonald's?
Yes. I never did
Yeah.
What about? Me haven't been to McDonald's either.
You know, say, woman at airport a thief. You know, they give me one small burger for my money.
Can we have Domino's? Bruh.
Yeah guys, so I'm heading to Albrook Mall. I hope I can get some good footage for you guys. I'm not sure. Let's see. Guys, so we are at the Multi Plaza, right? Albrook Mall right now. And we're gonna shop. So yeah, we're pulling up in Albrook Mall.
I know how much you have to pay
Yeah,
to
they
carry
do
dog
videos
and
then.
cat.
I don't want to walk. I mean, I bring no dog and no puss nowhere with me. I think they might have to pay the same plane ticket. But why would I want to bring dog and cat with me? So guys, we are here at Albrook Mall and we are about to do what we do best. We are at the Albrook Mall, guys, and it's shopping time. We are at the Albrook Mall. Amanda, get me a bag.
I'm gonna get 10%.
Michaela, come on, go machine, come on.
Guy, you know, vlogger fi have June. Watch her. Watch her. She knows a vlogger fi have June. She know?
And we're about to get some stuff. Let's see how cheap it is. They say Panama is cheap. Let's see. Guys, I'm afraid to go down, guys. You know, big woman like me, afraid to go on it. I'm afraid, you know, guys. I'm afraid. I'm afraid, guys. I'm afraid.
Hotel?
Yeah, Rio.
Where?
Rio.
Rio.
I will see you.
Okay.
Hi, thank you.
Guys. Guys, these malls, to walk out this mall is not for the weak. Trust me. May I tell you, I'm tired. I'm tired. I want to start walking. I'm so tired. Tired. But I'm pushing on. Because I want to start shopping. Okay, guys, so we're shopping. What the place name again? Manda, what's the name again? We're in somewhere. I was shopping. Guys, we're shopping, but it's so difficult to find the size of the stuff. Trust me. You always hear people talking about shopping in Panama. Shopping in Panama is not for the weak. The mall big, the things them, the size of the things them hard to find. It's stressful, trust me, very stressful. Guys, I just done do a little shopping. Look at guys, so we just done shop. Yeah. Look on the list. Watch her. This never good. Put mackerel rest of some in the manda bag. Guys, we're trying to get some of it, you know, we're there at Wendy's. I'm tired, no man, I don't know. The mall is big, I want to walk out half of the mall yet. The mall is so big. This is a food court. We're trying to get something to do. Yeah guys, trying to get something to eat. Okay, yeah. Man, tell the people about the shopping go over here.
They're not cheap.
And what else?
We're broke.
And what else?
We're not coming to no more mall. All we had was to outside the free breakfast.
And what else? Tell them about all the walking up and down.
We put them burn. When I put the hotel from 12 o'clock on our time after 3. Now leave again.
And one store we're going
One store.
One store only. That the store them just big and them confusing.
Oh,
The
some
size
food,
them.
yeah.
Guys, we're up on the mall here from about 11:30. And at one store we're going now. One store. The store them confusing. I can't stop saying. And them not cheap like on a thing. Now we're eat some lunch. But I don't know if we're going nowhere else. We are going nowhere else, Manda?
Yeah.
Where we are going?
Rio Plaza.
Why? Guys, I'm tired, super tired. Well, it's a nice experience, but I'm telling you,
You know, man, and still
the mall big.
look up on the window.
The
and
mall
it's still
can't walk out. And that me still a talk about. It's not easy to walk out the mall here. You have to dedicate an entire day. When you come at the mall here, you have to dedicate an entire day to walking out the mall. because you can't come at the mall here and plan to go nowhere else for the day. Because when you don't walk out the mall here, you're tired. The way how you tired when you don't walk out the mall here. All you want to do is go lay down in your bed and sleep.
Oh, same for me.
It feel like you just don't do a 2-hour workout to walk out the mall here.
7 hours.
So my little shopping bag. When I reach back to the hotel, I will show you guys what I got. If I feel like. Oh, may I tell you, the mall big.
Big food.
So you can't imagine all them malls in America, how them big. If the one are big, so you can't imagine the one them in America. Why don't want to go on that again? Eh? Why don't want to go again?
Can I bring this?
No. Guys, the kids are going on the merry-go-round. What am I wanting? We're at the Albrook Mall.
Welcome to Panama. What do I want? I give you something for your hands and remove all the
Bathroom clothes. Inside of Puma, and we're trying to get something for the kids. Guys, this shopping mall finish way. Shopping mall is not for the week. This shopping mall is not for the week. You walk till the week. I'm exhausted. I'm here from after 11 and now it's 5:30. Can you believe that, guys? We're exhausted. We're heading home. Mash up, but you come out plaza without no one. I left with suitcase. We're left with 2 suitcases. Michaela left with 2 shopping bags. So we have 2 suitcases full of things. Plus, Michaela have her 2 shopping bags. One from Puma, and one from Adams. Boy, me tell you guys, me not lie. Ooh, I'm Manda. Oh my God. Hello. Where we can find some small locks, like paddle. Maybe we see small juice around this man. Guys, we're in a store called Super 99. If you know Super 11 in Portmore, it's something similar, but this one has the groceries also. So it would have more coming like Mega Mart then. They have every little thing in here. Every little thing. Super 99. So now I'm coming like a Mega Mart or a Azan or a Bashko or something like that. I'm exhausted, guys. I've been walking all morning. Woo! Tired is a person and me that, trust me, Papa. Guys, you better come rescue me because I'm then a Panama broke. I spend what I never have. I go mall, go spend all what I never have. And you see when I come around with Pitney, you see them here? You see them here? You see when I come around with Pitney? No, sir. Everybody love you. So you hear the music here, the man say be a Jamaican music Panama people listen to. Be a Gaza, full. The man say Panama is fully Gaza, fully Gaza. Manda there, she's a wicked girl. The little girl bring me to the road, go spend half the whole of my money. When I come here, because right now I'm financially embarrassed. She's a wicked girl. 2 suitcases of things will come back with, plus a bag. Why? See, Michaela have a bag. Hold up your bag, Michaela. People let me see. Plus, Michaela have a bag in her hand.
People don't know say you carry her.
Why did I keep here? I'm about to go back to the bed.
Yeah, guys. So these are the run over of what I got at the mall.
People broke their back when they fall.
Money done. Get water shoes because we're going to do activity tomorrow. I never remember to carry my water shoes them. So I have to come over here, come buy water shoes. I'm about 3 of them at home. Manda, yes, sister, we still remember to buy the summer for the phone, the case. We still remember to buy the case for the phone. The waterproof phone case them.
Well, you should kind of get a little bit more training. Ooh, he just got in fire. Satan's always caring about it. I never cared about his friends. Like.
Waiting on our Uber. Guys, here is our Uber. Our Uber driver is here. Guys, so we're up on the road from 11:30 and it's now 8:42 p.m. Oh, and we're just coming back to the hotel. We're hungry, we're tired, we're exhausted. We don't know what to do with ourselves at this point. We just want to go eat and go to bed. This when they have kids that travel with too. Sure. Okay guys, so it's the end of another day. I just come to tell you guys that it was a pleasure sharing my day with you. I hope you enjoy. Guys, walking out the Albrook Mall in Panama is not for the weak. I am super tired, I'm drained. Guys, this is night 2 and up till now I haven't worn any of my nighttime outfit that I carry because we just keep it simple for dinner. Simple fast food. But hopefully maybe tomorrow because tomorrow we're going on an excursion. So I don't know if we're going to have the energy to do any fine dining tomorrow. Maybe it's just fast food same way, maybe not. Let's see. So it's not tomorrow, it's Monday, but we want to do fine dining one of the nights before we leave. This is the end of the video. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, leave a comment and share the video. Love you guys. See you tomorrow.